Yeah, my name is Katie Chin-Quee. I'm from the States, and I did the Master's in Archaeology last year, and I enjoyed it so much that I went immediately on to do the Master's of Science, the MSc in Human Bioarchaeology and Paleopathology. I think the thing that I've enjoyed the most about the department is just the incredible opportunities that you have to do excavations or post-excavation, cleaning and learning about all of that entire process, sort of from A to Z. You can volunteer in so many different areas. There's research seminars, there's lectures, there's everything you could possibly want. So any sort of interest that you might have archaeologically or otherwise, there's an opportunity for you to expand that and explore. At Durham in archaeology specifically would be to just get stuck in and really take on those opportunities and connect with people and go to those research seminars. Don't be afraid to talk to the experts and see what your interest is and then expand on that, because there's something really for everyone. You can, and the lectures I think really foster that and really help to expand your interest and your knowledge in archaeology.